Lift-off sequence engaged.
Ladies and gentlemen, Peaceful Thrill Seeker here with Brian. Hi. And we are on Arie Force here in Fayetteville, Georgia. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a fun coaster. I hope you enjoy. And gentlemen, that was Arie Force One. Brian, what did you think?
It was very intense.
2 thumbs up for me. How about you? 2 thumbs up. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Arie Force One, the best coaster in Georgia, the best mid-tier RMC in my opinion as of now. Of course, I have to ride Wildcat's Revenge, but I'm pretty confident in this coaster here. Anyway, Peaceful Thrill Seeker, and we're out.